Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for Joshua Flying Big Thunder. I'm running my bike, okay, like normal kid would do. And here come this boy, and with the boy, probably just with the boyfriend, we called the cops on. Okay. And probably his friend, you never know. And I was on the side of the road. I was riding my bike like a normal kid, okay? And this boy rubbed my back tire. And I wasn't trying to be mean, but you probably would do the same thing. So I said, please leave me alone. And he was doing it. And then I kind of gave him a push to move out of my way. You know? Like you guys probably would do that, right? And I know what to do in that situation because it was unaffected. I wasn't affecting it, for one. For two, you know? It kind of... You know? You know? So, yeah.